When we refer to the configuration of a system, we're referring to the technical description of that system and how its component parts interconnect. So what is configuration management? In our project management glossary, Beyond the Inside, Decode the Jargon of Project Management, we define configuration management as defining, controlling, releasing, changing, documenting, and reporting the configuration of items in a system. We can think of a system as either a technology solution that we are implementing within our project, or the system could be the project itself. In the latter case, where configuration management refers to the project, it'll concern itself with things like the project scope and scope management, quality and quality management, and crucially, change control, the management of changes to the scope and therefore to the plan of our project itself. However, most often when we talk about configuration management, we're concerned with the configuration of the system or the product that we are either developing or adapting within our project. And that's what I'm going to concentrate on when I describe what configuration management is in this video. As a result, configuration management is an important DevOps process. DevOps is a set of processes that combines software development and IT operations. The purpose of configuration management is to ensure that we can properly track the configuration of a system through its whole life cycle, from creation through to retirement. Without proper configuration management, therefore, we cannot properly build, test, install, accept, operate, maintain, or support the system, nor indeed properly decommission it. As a result, a big part of configuration management is therefore tracking changes, and we need therefore to collect a lot of data. Data that includes things like date, version number, status, product owner, features, components, connections and interfaces, and relationships with other products. It is beyond the scope of this video and, frankly, of my competence to examine the methodologies that we use for configuration management. However, I will list the 5 principal components. First is configuration management planning, pulling together a plan for how we are going to manage the configuration of the system that we're implementing. Second is configuration identification. This is about creating and maintaining the baseline of the configuration against which we are going to monitor and document the changes that we make. Third is configuration control. This is very like change control within the main body of the project management body of knowledge. That is to say, it is about evaluating and then deciding whether to accept or reject changes to the configuration of the system. Fourth is configuration status accounting. Sounds complicated, but largely this is about documenting and reporting the changes to the configuration of the system. And finally, we have configuration verification and audit. This is the independent, or sometimes quasi-independent, review of processes, artifacts, and compliance within your configuration management system. As you might expect, there is a huge variety of software tools available to support configuration management. For us as project managers, the important thing is to ensure that our project plans contain, where necessary, reference to the configuration management plan, or indeed incorporate it directly. I tend to think of configuration management as part of my scope management process. Please do give a thumbs up if you liked this video. There's loads more great project management content to come, so please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of it. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.